On cam daw, hi daw sa mga tao.
Wala ko eh.
Kita ba? See, guys, he's out.
Hello guys.
Hi, Kuya Argel.
Lauren.
Ay, ako ko lang gigita. Marap ko siya.
Okay.
Bye-bye, sorry.
Bye boss.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye bye guys. Don't please.
Ay! Hi! Bye-bye, Amping. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What the hell? Looking mad.
Nanood yun. Kasi nung in-answer yung call, narinig ko boses ko.
Sus. Tanggal angas, Argel. Bro,
Ay.
did you selfies? Ano nga? Aha. Okay. Ay, naku.
Si JP kasi, kung tatawagan ko yun, tatawagan niya, may sasabihin. Pero parang,
Request pa dito. Bro, how am I supposed to log in my Instagram?
tawagan natin si JP.
Wait lang.
Jazz.
Bakit ka tumatawag?
Ay. Tatanong ko ng ate Jazz kung may po.
Ay. JP, nagpa-prank call kami ni Rain sa live. Pero sige po.
Ate Jazz. Ay, nakalive kayo?
Oo, tapos pinaprank call ka.
Hindi rin ate Jazz, nakalive kayo?
Opo.
Ngayon?
Opo.
Naka-on.
Opo. Ano ba? Sige, mamaya.
Sige, sige po.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See you. Ay,
Ay,
tapos nag-live at
oo. Opo.
Okay, ate Jazz.
Sige, bye-bye. Ingat.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
What was he gonna say? But yes, my app's not letting me do the prank call. It's not letting me log in my Instagram, bro.
Kulit sa ex, tawagan natin. Sige, kulit, tawagi.
Lagi, my Instagram's not logging in, lagi. We sent a notification to the logged in devices on this account. Where will I see that notification?
Sa phone mo.
It's not.
Wala?
May uno is if I do it on my phone, then you guys are gonna not hear it because I'm living there. Bruh.
You don't have, Julie.
Wait.
Hello, bakit ka tumatawag?
Ano, ikaw tumatawag kaya sa akin?
Hindi
Ikaw kaya, gusto mo mag-screenshot ko?
I-screenshot mo ang...
Tumatawag ko
Hindi. Ikaw yung kanina ka pa tumatawag.
Baliw, hindi ako ba't sila i-call? Girlfriend ba kita?
Julie!
Ay, ba't ko yung palik ko sa'yo?
I love it.
Julie, nag-live po kami, nag-prank call.
Ay, weh!
Ba't kita i-call girlfriend mo kita? Ate Julie.
Hello, Reyna!
Honest. you.
Gusto ko yung sinabi niya na,
Baliw, buti nga hindi ko sinabi na si...
siya.
I love you, Ate Julie.
Love you,
I love you,
Jolie.
Marina. Good night, Lee. Good night, gorgeous.
Good night. Good night to God bless and to reindeers.
Bye. Good night, reindeers. Wait. May ganap kayo.
Meron kaming
Hindi kayo nung maringin. Yeah, wait. Ako din. Okay, bye-bye.
see you.
Really? Yay! Yay!
One. Sige. See you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Marina.
Love you. Good night.
Ate Julie, good night. Ate Julie, so funny, bro.
Yun yung best reaction ko na nakuha. Bakit kita natawagan? Girlfriend ba kita? O yan yung na-wear ko na. Sino nga si Colette? Pag ito si Colette magagalit, patay tayo. Colette. Uy, tapos na po si Argel po.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Hala na my best friend.
Yellow?
Hello?
Hello.
Ano ka nitawag? Yes?
Hello. Natulog ko.
Ay, good night.
Good night.
Love you. See you tomorrow.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, tutulog na si Colette, guys.
Stop na ba? Bad na ni.
Okay, wag na kasi it's 11:53 na. Wag kami nating energy.
Next time. Hala ka mo, ha? Sige. Sige, ako, I wanna leave already. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, me too.
It's late now. We still have Yeah.
Yeah, see you
We'll
tomorrow.
see you next time, guys.
Bye,
Bye.
everybody. Good night. Thank you for your alarm. Oh, that's cute. Bye-bye.
Bye, Ate Jazz. Good night. Love you.
Bye, Rain. Love you. See you tomorrow.
Guys, bye, reindeers. Bye, gorgeous.
Bye. Good night.